There are international students that want to pay you to do assignment for them. They want to pay you to do most of their job for them. Some of them don't really have that time. They don't really have that chance to do their own personal assignment. They come online, source for freelancer, give them the assignment. You do it for them and they pay you. Assignment like translating document from English to Spanish, from English to Chinese, from English to Arabic. Now this is where you come in as a freelancer. A freelancer is a person who renders selfless job. Like you can work for anybody, you can work for as many people as you can, or you don't need to translate the documents on your own. This is where AI come in for you and assist you. Where do you get these jobs, or where do you get these tasks to do? There are online platforms where you can get the task, like Fiverr, like Upwork, etc. Take for instance Fiverr. All you just need to do is go online, go to fiverr.com, create an account and register as a content writer or a transcriber. Then begin to apply for jobs, begin to apply for gigs, and you'll see someone will surely contact you for a job. When you get the job, just go to AI. If you want to know the right place to go and get all this thing done, drop a comment and I will tell you where to go and to get this job done without you stressing yourself. Don't say 2024, there is no money. No, create job for yourself. And one of the job you can create for yourself is content writing using AI.